This is TCL 408, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the Google Drive app. Then you will need to tap at the plus icon over there, choose the scan option from the list, grant the camera access to Google Drive app, and then take a photo of your document. Once the picture is taken, you will be forwarded to the you'll be forwarded to the editing interface, which allows you to change color, rotate your file, or crop the original photo like that. Once you are satisfied and ready to save it, hit the save button. Then, if needed, you can rename your file, or set the custom file name rather. Then hit the save button one last time and wait a few seconds for the file to be uploaded to your drive. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.